I would like to thank the dignitaries and the guests for inviting me for the guest talk here. I would like to thank Dayani Saab, Muhammad Saab, Saeed Saab, and other dignitaries who have invited especially to express the training division which is going on in the entire world as well as especially in India, especially in Hyderabad. I am here only for 5 to 10 minutes for you to exchange one of the greatest secrets of training division which is right now prevailing in the entire world. See, let me introduce myself also. I have done my MBA from University of Madras, a distinction holder. Then I have done my MCOM from Usmania University, that's also a distinction. So I am also a corporate and soft skill trainer, communication trainer also, who deliver the guest lectures in some of the top training institute. Apart from that, I am a commerce faculty and HOD of OS group of institutions. So I got a passion of training from the last couple of many years, and being there in the training industry, in meeting corporate trainers and taking the HR interviews for graduates as well as for engineering students also. What's being observed over the last 15 years for me is that is the lack of communication English, especially for our Muslim community students. There is a tremendous kind of observation being done by our team that especially Muslim students, they are lacking in the communication skills. They are unable to express their thoughts, their ideas whenever it's being called in for the interviews. The only factor what needs to be understood by this training division, by this academic and the students who are training is that one of the trainer in Madras University, he used to tell to us, to all the participants, master English, master the world. If you are having the excellent communication English, you can translate your dreams into the reality. How to translate the dreams into reality? There is a very long bridge is required. If a person who is having very weak English is unable to express his thoughts and ideas, his aspiration to the trainer, to the public, then he is actually not a complete person. Communication English is one of the most important tool. Spoken English, another part is there. Public speaking skills, another part is there. Corporate English, another part is there. Managerial English, another part is there. There are levels of English are there. What we do speak in the society is only a spoken English, what you and me speak. Public speaking skills are the public speaking trainers are there who speak English by charging lot of money in the public functions. And there comes the communication English also. You got to level up your level 1, level 2 and level 3 and level 4. The highest grade of English is the managerial English or the corporate English, what the managers do speak in the corporate offices. We are very far, very, very far. First of all, the students got to remove their fear phobia. There are a lot of fear circles are there in all of us, we have been observing over the last 15 years. We are observing that the fear is there. I ask my students in the college, okay, introduce yourself, tell me something about yourself. That gentleman is not able to express either in Hindi, either in Urdu, either in English. Then when he's not expressing himself, when he don't know how to translate his ideas and thoughts to the public, there's a gap is there. So first of all, the academy should have a complete training division. They should have, we have to first design the training program in which we have to remove the fear circle from the student. What has been observed for me is that there is a lot of fear in all our students are there. Especially who are trained, for them only the fear has gone out. You should communicate in a higher level, how to translate your thoughts, your ideas, and you have to move up. And exactly the students should understand what is the need and how to fulfill the need. This is not being understood by our student. What is the need means market को चाहिए क्या, corporate world को क्या चाहिए, business world को क्या चाहिए, business world को public speaking skills की अहमियत क्या है. You got to understand for one. You have to understand the requirement of the corporate world. You have to understand the need of the corporate world, the demand of the corporate business world. Then only you can make up your level up, you can raise up your standard. You have to raise your standard. The standards are very low. You are not able to understand what is the real requirement, the demand which is being asked in the business world, corporate world, and the interview is being taken in Saudis, in Dubai, in all the Gulf, where how the interview is being taken by the corporate people. Our students are unable. You have only technical skill, you have some knowledge of the computers. Communication English is one of the important tool. Our trainer used to tell in University of Madras to all of us, there are 3 skills are very important to all the persons in this world. One is communication skill, second one is computer skill, third one, audience, that the third skill is called confidence skills. Confidence skills, what I have been observing over the many years is that we lack confidence, we don't know how to speak with our elders. When somebody is asking, express ourselves, we have lack of fear phobia in us. When you are not able to express anything with our elders, either in Urdu, Hindi or any language, how do you translate your ideas? How do you translate your vision and thoughts to the company people? The corporate people want the greatest people who have the translation of ideas into the realities. So the 3 important skills which we need to understand is confidence, communication skills, computer skills and confidence skill. The training division headed by Dayani Saab, Muhammad Saab, Saeed Saab and all these top people who are there, who are doing some great work, which has been explained to me over the many years. They are doing some wonderful work, but the students also should have a perfect goal setting. The training institute should have a complete goal setting, should be the short term goals. What are the short term goals required for you people? What are the long term goals? What are the medium term goals and long term goals? According to the goal setting, you have to achieve your goal. Set your goal and achieve your goal. You should have goal setting perfectly. You have to read the market and you have to scale up your standards. Scalability of standard is very, very important for all of us. How to raise our standard? What is the market is needing? The need is very important. What is the market is a requirement of the market is there. So the students as well as the trainer have to first read the market. You have to understand the objectives, where we are here and how to scale up. Still, analyzation should be conducted by the training institute, interpretation should be there, and you have to check up how the students are improving on the regular basis and see to it that they should raise up the national standard and the international standard. It only comes by understanding the various parameters. You have to also listen to the various world top class speakers are there at the world level. USA is there, England is there. What are the top trainers, how they are delivering? You have to see for that also. So for every aspect, you have to also go for the ABC principle, which has been called, you should have greater ambition, brilliant belief, and commitment and confidence should be there for all of us. So the goal which this institute have set up is that to motivate the students, to inspire the parents, and the requirement of the job industry is there. So for the first and foremost part among all these things is public speaking skills and communication skills. Where the institute do stand is that they wanted to raise up your standard for communication and confidence skill, and it is a simple technique as that you have to daily learn. Compound interest, I want to share compound interest and finish my talk. Compound interest, that daily 1% improvement in any person in terms of public speaking skills or confidence skill. After 1 year, he is scaling his standards to the maximum margin more than 365%. So daily 1% increment should be there in your student. Daily 1% he and she should learn something new in the institute. The trainer should transfer some kind of skills, and at the end of 6 months or 1 year, what he is going to take up and how is matching to the national standard, international standard, you have to match up there. I would like to thank all the dignitaries, the directors of this organization who are doing some wonderful and marvelous work. Inshallah ta'ala, if Allah permits, definitely we are going to have some excellent piece of work in the area of Barkas, where the student should first of all learn public speaking skill and communication skill, in which they can be the greater winner, achiever and performer in this corporate world. Thank you so much, sir.